How do you protect your job if you become sick or disabled? One of the biggest challenges working people face is being pushed out the door at work when they become sick or disabled. In my experience, companies provide a limited amount of sick time and personal days, and once you start exceeding that paid time off, they start pressuring you to figure something out so you don't become an inconvenience to the business. But unless you're permanently disabled and you can no longer work, then there's something you could do to protect yourself at work when you need to take leave because of ill health. There are 4 major laws that protect people when they're sick or disabled. For short-term leave needs, there is the Family Medical Leave Act and the New York Paid Family Leave Act. These 2 laws allow you to take up to 12 weeks of time off from work each year if you have a serious illness or a covered family member that has a serious illness. This leave can be taken all at once or incrementally in periods of a time as small as 1 hour. For long-term medical issues, there's the American with Disabilities Act and the New York State Human Rights Law. These laws require that your employer provide you with a reasonable accommodation at work to enable you to work with a disability as long as the accommodation doesn't cause the company an undue hardship. So many times when you may have run out of short-term leave protection, you still might be able to take additional leave under these 2 laws. So if you're suffering from a disability or have recently been diagnosed with a serious illness and are experiencing pressure at work, don't feel like you have no options. You can take steps to make sure that you don't lose your job just because your employer feels like you are a burden on the company.